Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to withdraw crypto to a bank account from Luno. So do you want to turn your crypto into cash in your bank? Alright, if you're this person, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to sell crypto for fiat and withdraw it to your bank account using the Luno app. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch the Luno app and sign in with your email, password, or biometric login. So once you're done, go ahead and tap on the portfolio icon at the bottom of your screen represented by a wallet icon. And once you do that, you will be able to view your crypto and fiat balances. Now here you're also going to find other wallets that you've set up, like your local currency wallet and your crypto wallet. Now choose the wallet containing the crypto you want to convert. For example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. So once you select the wallet, in the wallet section, you're going to see the sell button. Click sell. Select sell for your local currency. For example, if it's NGN, tap sell, then select sell for NGN. Now enter the amount you want to sell. You can use max to convert everything. Then tap next. Tap next, review the amount you receive and confirm. Authenticate if prompted, which authentication could include PIN or biometric. Now, once the sale completes, the fiat amount shows up in your local currency wallet. So how do you withdraw the fiat to your bank? From your wallet, that's the portfolio tab, go ahead and tap on your local currency. When tapping your local currency, click on that. Now this opens the withdrawal page. If no bank account is linked, you'll see an option to add one first. If you already linked the bank, select it. If not, tap add bank account, enter your details, then confirm that it's in your name. Then type how much you want to send to your bank, then tap next. Check the amount and any bank fees, then tap confirm and authenticate. Your withdrawal request is submitted like that. Luno processes it on business days and your bank typically receives it within a few hours to 2 business days. Now, processing time depends on your country and bank. Same day to 2 business days are common. Fees are minimal. Luno passes on what your bank charges, nothing more. Ensure your bank account is fully verified in your name only. Double check the account details to avoid failures. And if the withdrawal fails, check back after 48 hours or contact Luno support. And that's it. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.